Good morning, this is Lynda Cromar. I just wanted to share a quick little tutorial for you. Anybody that is starting to kind of explore using Periscope, you might notice also that we have that I have the link right here from my last Periscope in Twitter. And maybe that's not new to you, but there's another little piece that you can do. If you want to actually use this training in another location, and I know it's up and down, so it's not necessarily native to like YouTube or wherever else, but you can play it and then you can actually capture it, which is I'm doing a video at this moment, but you could actually do a recording as you play this, and then that puts it on your hard drive. Now there's many different kinds of computer software that is either free or very low cost that you can use to capture video. I don't do it to pirate, but I do it sometimes if I have, like in this case, it's my own Periscope and I want to actually use it as, because we talk about this, repurpose your content. So why not? Couldn't you repurpose your Periscope? And I'm going to be doing a new Periscope in closer to just afternoon my time, and my topic today will be some other tips that you can use to be more in helping that person that you're working with, especially with your list building, but also some things that you can do that helps them to understand who you are a little bit better. So I'm going to do that in a little while, but right now I'm working on actually my blog content. So this is going to be in that respect, and I actually had two blog posts, the one I'm doing now and the capture I did earlier of this particular Periscope, because I thought I did a pretty good job with this one. Another thing I realized when I looked at it though, and that's another thing, you can look at what you've done and you can say, how can I do it better? Don't say I didn't do a good job, but what can I do to improve it? One thing that I didn't do, and I realized when I'm watching other people, is that they actually are paying attention to the comments and the hearts, and they're commenting to people during their Periscope. And I did not do that with my first ones, but then I'm brand new and I will improve, absolutely. So that is another tip, is that you can watch your own Periscope and you can watch what you can do to improve and to be better at communicating and engaging with your audience. And by doing that, you are also increasing your engagement in the future as well. So I hope that's been helpful. Just a real quick little video recap, and I'll be getting this on the blog. So I'll be talking to you later. Bye for now.